Hello, it's John Naylor from Deja Vu Travel Magazine, and I've just got a little travel tip for you here that I thought worth sharing. And maybe you've already spotted it, but it's not the delicious cup of coffee that I've got. It's actually here. This what you can see here is I've actually got a automotive phone holder. It was inexpensive. I think it was about 25 Australian dollars, so about 100 RMB. This one's really great because it actually has wireless charging. And in this occasion, I just anchored it onto, it's got a little clamp, a screw-in clamp that allows me to bite onto this release here. But I've used this now on flights, business class, economy class. I've used it on trains. This makes a fantastic travel companion. Before getting on this flight, I've downloaded some YouTubes and some videos, and I've got a few things, whether it's gaming or playing solitaire or otherwise just playing with your phone while in flight, then this makes a great option. And this particular one, it's got this lovely electric clamping. It's got a little battery in it, so as you can see there, it's actually gripping around my hand and bites in, so it holds on. I've also got the option to put this phone into, twist it around and put it into landscape as well, which makes more sense when you're watching videos. And in conjunction with a great noise cancelling headset, makes watching videos while in flight or on trains a breeze. So that's pretty much it for this little video that I've made, just to show this off, as I haven't seen anybody else doing this. And look, the other point to make about this while I'm here is that I haven't had any trouble from the flight staff, the stewards, security crew. No one's ever had a bother with me using this phone holder. It's just about sitting back and relaxing and enjoying the flight. Of course, as always, if you like this content and these tips, please like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.